Nigeria, Honorable Justice Kayode Ariwoola, one should not be surprised about the avalanche of information available on the web about my noble lord, because our exiting Chief Justice of Nigeria himself is always at home with the internet, as he is information communication technology savvy. I attest to the fact that my lord is an internet who by dint of providence walked through the ranks of the judiciary up to the peak as the Honorable Chief Justice of Nigeria. From his humble beginning as a young school teacher in Isheyin, Oyo State, to now retiring as the leader of the bench in Nigeria, probably mirrors the essence of hope and unwavering aspiration to ascend to the greater heights. His Lordship served as Justice of the Court of Appeal in Kaduna, Enugu, and Lagos divisions. My Lord is also a fellow of the International Dispute Resolution Institute, having been inducted in Dubai, United Arab Emirates in 2014. His Lordship has attended many national and international conferences and workshops in France, Atlanta, Georgia, United States, United Kingdom, Dubai, among others. My Lord Ariwoola is happily married with children and loves reading, listening to good music, photography, and shopping. I am very proud to be a member of Ibadan Bar and also a patron of the great branch of the Ibadan Bar Association, which unarguably is the first organized bar in Nigeria, hence in its real premier bar in Nigeria. Hence, it is the real premier bar in Ibadan. As a rookie lawyer, I caught my very good and sharp teeth in the law firm of that great renowned jurist, colossus and legal icon, now turned educationist of repute, Chief Afe Babalola, CONOFR, and so on. The prestigious and illustrious law firm is no other than Afe Babalola and Co. Emmanuel Chambers, situated at number 80 Fajuyi Road, Ibadan. The law firm is reputed for producing several senior jurists and senior advocates of Nigeria, lest I be accused of too much deference to Chief Afe Babalola Chambers. It goes without saying that in those good days, old days, Ibadan Bar boasted of legal giants in the molds of Chief Richard Ochoalale Akinjide, SAN, former Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice, Chief Folake Solanke, Alabukun Law Firm, the first female senior advocates of Nigeria, Chief Olisha Chukura, Chief Bamidele Aiku, Chief Ladosu Ladapo, among many others, who all sharpened our legal feet in these remarkable years. It was during these, my formative years at the bar, that my path and that of the retiring Chief Justice of Nigeria first crossed each other. Without being immodest, all lawyers and juries of note must have had professional interactions and engagements with lawyers in Emmanuel Chambers and others, as quote-unquote appearing with me, or as counsel in litigation, or a judex in matter which we have been privileged to offer our cutting-edge professional legal services to our diverse clients all over the country. And it was in the course of some of those vast nomadic legal practice that I met my noble lord, the retiring Chief Justice, as a diligent state counsel in the Ministry of Justice, and later as a private practitioner. Our engagements in court became more frequent shortly after he left the services of the state to join us in private practice, when he set up his law firm known as Kayode Ariwoola Mako Allah Chambers, situated at number 1 Isheyin Road, Owode, Oyo Town in Oyo. It is pertinent for me to add that the Chief Justice of Nigeria, now Chief Justice of Nigeria, then took over the chambers which later belonged to his kinsman, Honorable Justice, now retired Honorable Justice S.L. Okuola, upon the latter's appointment as a judge of Oyo State High Court in February 1982. As a private legal practitioner, my lord was very ubiquitous in all the courts of various jurisdictions, including the Supreme Court. My noble lord's serenity and versatility in courts, including the comportment, courage, and integrity, did not go unnoticed by the judges of Oyo State High Court at the material time, and also the senior members of the bar who promptly recommended him for preferment as a judge of the Oyo State High Court on the 2nd of November 1992, alongside 5 others, namely Honorable Justice Karim Jimoh, Honorable Justice Olakanmi, the then Solicitor General and Permanent Secretary in the Ministry of Justice, who later rose to become the Chief Judge of Oyo State, also from Ibadan Zone. Honorable Justice Afolabi Adeniran from Ogbomoso also became the Acting Chief Judge of Oyo State. Honorable Justice Lambe Olajire Arasi, Honorable Justice John Olagoke Ige also rose to become the acting Chief Judge. And the last but not the least was the youngest of the 6, being my Lord Honorable Justice Kayode Ariwoola, also a private legal practitioner based in Oyo. Their appointment was made when the judiciary of Oyo State was under the leadership of Honorable Justice Timothy Adebayo Adeniran Ayorinke as the Chief Judge of Oyo State. My Lord's pronouncements and interventions on the bench are variously contained in several landmark judgments delivered by His Lordship during his very purposeful and highly impactful sojourns on the bench of our court, most of which are permanently recorded in our various law reports for posterity. No doubt, my Lord's indelible footprints are very noticeable and manifestly seen in his contributions to the growth and the development of our jurisprudence and constitutionalism. These decisions are too numerous to mention here, and in any event, I prefer to leave that brief to the biography, as I am aware that most of the judgments are already chronicled in various books in honor of my Lord Honorable Justice, Honorable the Chief Justice. I know that these judgments will be launched today, tomorrow, and I believe next week. I therefore plead that we should all endeavor to attend the book launch slated for those dates. My Lord, the Honorable the Chief Justice of Nigeria is a workaholic and always very time conscious, a very outstanding jurist, but not many are aware that my Lord is also a great community person and has great community value that is second to none. That he is retiring because we shall now begin to enjoy another phase of his leadership and fatherly role. My Lord, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I know that the retiring Chief Justice of Nigeria is eager to retire to your lovely family and away from public life. But I want to plead with you to be available to us, the judiciary in particular, and the country at large. Will continue to reach out to you to tap into your deep wisdom and wealth of experience. At this juncture, I want to extend my gratitude to the family of my noble Lord. My Lord is not just an accomplished judicial icon, he is also an accomplished family man and a father figure, a grandfather to many. He is happily married to his lovely wife, Mrs. Ariwoola, and the marriage is blessed with children, lovely and successful children. They have endured the burden that comes with the others' demands of judicial service. They have sacrificed their needs to allow my Lord to effectively discharge his duties as a jurist for over 3 decades. The intermittent late nights, absence, inconveniences that come with postings and the requirement of the job, they have endured all, and for that, we celebrate your love and sacrifices. My Lord, this is a day of celebration. We have gathered here not to say goodbye, but to celebrate you and the lofty goals and achievements you have accomplished.
We are here to celebrate your dedication to public service and your immense contribution to nation building. We are proud of you. The country is proud of you and is indebted to you. You have left indelible marks in the sands of time. Your legacy is eternal and remains a model for our jurists and legal practitioners. We are not happy leaving you to retirement, but I must say that I'm personally pained that the bench is going to miss the wisdom and erudition of my Lord, Honorable Justice Ariwoola, but we are nonetheless consoled by the fact that you are handing over the baton to a worthy successor of the incoming, the acting Chief Justice of Nigeria, His Lordship, Honorable Justice Kudirat Motomori Olatokunbo Kekereekun, who incidentally was a classmate of my noble Lord, Honorable Justice Ariwoola. May the good Lord, the Almighty, continue to strengthen you with good health and peace of mind. Congratulations, my Lord. It is not everybody who started well that ended well. And the saying goes that better is the end